So I just finished up the Serpentine belt. That was a lot of fun. I actually ended up using this 2x4, but it's cut, whatever you want to call it, to push down on the wrench, the adjuster for the Serpentine belt. And you know what? Yeah, it actually worked. I was surprised. I was like, wow, it actually went in. It was a little tricky at first because, you know, the belt was, folded up, of course. I actually got it from Amazon. I'm just seeing how hopefully there's no oil leaks. There'll be a little bit of residue, of course, probably like burn off, but that's granted. But there shouldn't be anything left. It should be pouring out like it was. I see some smoke there. I really don't think that's the old residue. I push that on? Yeah, that's on this side. You know what? Just gotta run it and see what the deal is. So the car's coming out. Next I gotta change the back shocks. Really good day for the convertible too, by the way. Freaking nice and windy. What else I gotta do? Yeah, back shocks. And then I gotta tackle the top. See what's up with that. I actually gotta switch the top and then fix the top. I got every light on because I didn't put the headlights back in yet. They're not plugged in. I also have to do the fog light conversion, which I'll do to the switch, and this way you can run it. But, you know, it's missing the parking lights right now. I really hope this thing isn't leaking because I have to kill somebody. Definitely. Let's see, I'm going to run it. You know what the thing is, too? I actually did heavily do gunk on this thing, so that's the other thing. That could be a lot of that residue burning off. So I will see if it's at. Let's see. You know, it kind of smells like gunk, but you just gotta see. Gotta wait it out, see what the deal is. It should have definitely been a lot better, but you never know.